This black Partage golf travel bag uses dense heavy-duty Oxford fabric with a smooth inner lining to shield your clubs from scuffs and impacts in transit. A thickly cushioned top section adds extra protection for club heads, which is especially reassuring when checking the bag with airlines or loading it into crowded vehicles. Generous interior dimensions comfortably hold a complete set of clubs, while the exterior pockets give you organized space for shoes, balls, gloves, and other course essentials. Rugged tank-style wheels and a reinforced base let the bag roll smoothly through airports and parking lots, reducing strain compared with carrying a traditional golf bag. Sturdy zippers, strong stitching, and well-placed handles make it easy to open, close, and lift the bag without feeling like you are stressing the seams. Overall, this travel cover combines solid protection, ample storage, and easy mobility, making it a dependable choice for golfers who travel frequently with their clubs.